Hello, friend.
Today, we're going to draw a beautiful scenery. First, draw a simple house in the center.
Let's draw.
I add some small plants and bushes around the house to make it look more natural.
So, 1, 2, 3.
Then draw a large tree beside the house.
Square. Nice and slow. That's the house. Now
Behind the house, I add some bushes.
draw. Let's all draw.
I draw two mountains using simple curved lines.
Have some fun.
Then draw a calm pond in the foreground. Add a few lily pads floating on the water. Add a few flowers and grass to make the scene more lively.
Tall, open wide, welcome all. Draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore. Windows.
Now let's bring our drawing to life with colors.
And you will see. Draw a sun up in the sky, smiling bright and shining high. Add a tree beside.
I color the house with brown and bright yellow.
Little mouse, color red or blue or green. Prettiest house you've ever seen. Clap your hands, shout hooray! We learned drawing today. Draw, let's all draw. Make a tree we all adore. Color green, big and bright. Make it happy, make it right. Now draw leaves up on the top.
Next, I use different shades of green for the tree, bushes, grass, and plants.
See your tree begin to grow. Draw, let's all draw. Make a tree we
The sun bright yellow and
add some fruit, red or blue. Make it special just for you. Draw a sun up in the sky, shining bright and way up high. Add some grass down below. Watch your little tree now grow. Color, have some fun. Your tree shines just like the sun. Clap your hands, shout hooray! We learned drawing today. Let's draw a house, come with me. Take your pencil, 1, 2, 3. Draw a square, nice and slow. That's the house. Now you know. Draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore. Color bright.
the door and windows are different shades of brown.
For everyone, add a roof like a hat. Triangle on top of that. Draw a door, big.
Add a few colorful flowers,
Wide, welcome all.
while the lily pads are colored green.
Draw, make a house we all adore. Windows too.
The pond is filled with light blue.
Outside and you will see. Draw a sun up in the sky, smiling bright and shining high. Add a tree beside the house. Maybe
This simple detail makes the scenery look even more beautiful.
or blue or green.
I color the mountains with light gray.
Clap your
Now it's complete.
Wow!
If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.